The recipe for online success. What is SEO? Imagine baking a cake. You start with the vision of a delicious dessert, but to make it a reality, you need to follow a specific process. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together and hope for the best, right? Without a plan, you might end up with a mess instead of a masterpiece. You need a recipe, the right ingredients, and a little bit of patience to create something truly delicious. Each step matters, from measuring to mixing to baking. Well, getting your website found online is pretty similar. It requires a strategic approach and careful planning. That's where SEO comes in. SEO is like your recipe for online success. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of practices designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. In simple terms, it's the art of making your website more appealing to search engines like Google. This involves optimizing your content, structure, and technical aspects. Just like a good recipe helps your cake rise to the top, effective SEO helps your website rise in search engine rankings. SEO helps your website climb the search engine rankings and get noticed by potential customers. With the right SEO strategy, your website can attract more visitors and drive more business. SEO, your website's secret ingredient. Think of Google as a giant library filled with billions of websites. When someone types in a search query, Google acts like a librarian, trying to find the most relevant and helpful books, websites, to show them. SEO is all about making sure your website is the one Google picks first. It's about understanding what people are searching for, using the right words on your website, and making sure your site is easy to navigate and understand. The better your SEO, the higher your website will rank and the more likely people are to find you. Why SEO still matters in 2025 and beyond. You might be thinking, isn't everything about AI and voice search now? And you'd be right, those technologies are changing the game. But guess what? SEO is more important than ever in this evolving landscape. AI is helping search engines understand what people are really looking for, not just the words they type. Voice search is changing how we phrase our questions. This means your SEO strategy needs to be smarter and more focused on providing valuable, relevant content that answers people's questions. The core ingredients of SEO success. Let's break down the key ingredients of a successful SEO strategy. These elements are crucial for improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. Keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into search engines. They are the foundation of your SEO efforts. Think of them as the flour of your SEO recipe. Without the right keywords, your SEO strategy won't hold together. You need to use the right keywords on your website to signal to Google what your site is about. This helps search engines understand your content and match it with relevant search queries. On-page SEO. This is all about making sure your website is structured in a way that search engines can easily understand. It involves optimizing various elements on your site. It's like the baking instructions for your website. Just as a recipe guides you to bake a perfect cake, on-page SEO guides search engines to understand and rank your site. It includes things like using keywords in your page titles and headings, optimizing your images, and ensuring your content is well structured, and making sure your website loads quickly. A fast-loading site improves user experience and can positively impact your search rankings. Backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours. They act as endorsements for your content. They're like votes of confidence from other bakers, telling search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Telling Google that your cake, your website, is worth checking out. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears. Content. This is the icing on the cake of your SEO strategy. High-quality content is essential for engaging your audience and keeping them on your site. It's all about creating high-quality, informative, and valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of your audience. And engaging content that people actually want to read and share. When your content resonates with your audience, it encourages social sharing and can attract more visitors to your site. Baking up your SEO strategy actionable tips. Ready to get started? Let's dive into some practical steps you can take right now to improve your website's search engine ranking. Here are a few simple tips to boost your SEO. Do your keyword research. This is the foundation of any good SEO strategy. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find out what people are searching for in your industry. This will help you understand the language your potential customers are using. Optimize your website content. Use keywords naturally throughout your website content, but don't stuff them in. Make sure your content reads well and provides value to your audience. Focus on creating valuable content that answers your audience's questions. This not only helps with SEO but also builds trust with your audience. Build high-quality backlinks. Reach out to other websites in your industry and ask for links to your content. High-quality backlinks can significantly boost your site's authority and ranking. Use social media. Promote your content on social media to drive traffic to your website and earn valuable backlinks. Social signals can also indirectly influence your SEO. Track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your website's performance and see what's working and what's not. Regularly reviewing your data will help you make informed decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Ready to rise to the top? Your SEO journey starts now. SEO might seem daunting at first, but it's an ongoing process of learning and adapting. By understanding the basics and implementing these tips, you can start improving your website's visibility and attracting more customers. Remember, just like baking a cake, SEO takes time and effort, but the results are well worth it. For more in-depth tips and strategies,